Please play the next music. Everyone, join Chicky Boy.
Lipat ka daw, Chicky Boy.
Come here, Chicky Boy. Say hi to everyone, Chicky Boy. Hi!
Everybody say hi, Chicky Boy.
Isa pa, gusto ko yung mas malakas.
Kabila.
Hi, Chicky Boy. 3, 2, 1! Damo fans si Chicky Boy. Now, Chicky Boy, let's have a photo opportunity with everyone. Please join me here.
There you go, Chicky Boy. Mag-selfie ka dyan, Chicky.
Mag-selfie
Dito, Chicky
tayo.
Boy. Halika dito, Chicky Boy. Dito. Dito. Chicky Boy, dito. Sir, tara lang. Halika na dito. Dito na tayo, Chicky Boy. There
Mag-picture
you
ka
go.
muna, Chicky Boy.
Ay, kagod. Lalabas na pala to. Balik, Chicky Boy. Chicky Boy, balik. Dito.
Pupunta daw sila tayo
Dito.
sila on stage.
Dito. Ayun.
Talikod ka, Chicky Boy. Talikod ka. Okay?
Yan.
Because our media
There
will
you
have a
go.
photo with you.
Okay, smile. Dito sa gitna. Chicky Boy, dito sa gitna. Yan. Okay. Atras pa, Chicky Boy. Atras
Okay.
pa. Gusto mo bang lumipad, Chicky Boy?
Hindi, okay na yan. Ano ka ba?
Okay
Baka malapit na sa paladag.
Okay na, sorry.
Okay.
Sorry. Smile, Chicky Boy. Ayan. Everybody, 1, 2, 3. Taas kamay. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wave everyone in 3, 2, 1! Thank you very much,
That's
Chicky
right,
Boy.
Chicky. Oh, eto mo naman gusto mo music, Chicky Boy. Party ka pala.
Thank you,
Ayun.
Chicky Boy.
There you go. Thank you.
To our friendly organizers, you know.
Everyone say bye-bye, Chicky Boy.
Bye, Chicky Boy.
Bye, Chicky Boy.
Yup.
Ayan. May biyahe po si Chicky Boy bukas. There you go. Alright, Sam, I'm pretty sure, aside sa kay Chicky Boy, may matiting sorpresa talaga.
Yes.
Ang plantanan para sa lahat ng minamahal natin mga taga Rojas City.
Tama yan, Jay. And at this point in time, mamimigay kami ng gift certificate from Plantanan. Simple lang ninyo brahon. We need volunteers, okay? So malawak ko sa description, and then if you guess the correct dish based on the description kalawagon ko, you get a chance to win exciting prizes from Plantanan.
And of course, yan, aside sa exciting, napakayami naman talaga ng mga dishes na ihain ng Plantanan dito para sa inyo ngayon. And syempre, kanina I had the experience of going to Pancake House, and oh my God.
Ang sarap, di ba?
Hindi na ako makapag-say. Wala talaga pinagbago. I am speechless.
Wow, paano yung speechless? Ayan, very good yan.
Diba? Tama. Kala mo,
Tama
UP
yan.
to po, UP. Ayun.
Okay,
Alright.
sige.
Sige.
Now, to our friendly organizers, ang gustong mag-volunteer, taas ang punang kamay. Our friendly organizers are roaming around to check for volunteers
Yan.
para sa ating papremyo ngayong gabi. Yan.
Ayan, so raise your hands lang everyone. Nandiyan
Ayan.
ang ating mga binibini para sa inyong lahat. Okay.
Hello, ano yung pangalan mo? What's your name?
Hi, ate.
Ano may formalin?
Wala, asan ba siya?
Oh, nasa niya. Pwede ko umakyat sa bangko. Ganun.
Kaya pa ba natin tonight?
Go on. Ayan na si
Ayan,
ate.
ayan,
Ayan na si ate. O, nanalo na naman siya kahapon. Panalo na naman sa tunay. Joke lang
Bugas,
ate.
bugas.
Siyempre kamukha mo lang yung kahapon. Ayun.
Yes, what's your
Hi.
name? Ano yung pangalan mo?
Ano may formalin?
Ana,
Ana May.
how young, single, or taken?
Single ba si Ana?
Married po.
Married ka na?
Married
Next
ka.
player. Next
Yes,
player.
thank you very much.
Next player po tayo.
Wag naman.
Ayun, sorry.
Wag naman, wag
Sorry.
naman. Okay.
Okay.
Sige,
Ayan.
Ana.
Okay, Ana. Here we go.
This is your clue, okay? This dish is a classic sandwich stacked with crispy bacon, tender chicken,
Sarap.
fresh lettuce, and juicy tomato.
Healthy.
Served on a toasted bread with a side of fries. A perfect healthy meal for any time of the day. We'll give you 5 seconds.
Paborito ko yan, Sam.
Sigurado?
Paborito ko yan, oo.
Okay, we'll give you 5 seconds. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Walang answer.
Ano answer mo, ma'am?
Wala siya answer.
Walang answer, ma'am?
Wala.
Sige, ingat po. There you go. Okay.
Thank you.
Next
Next
player.
volunteer.
Next player, taas kamay.
Next player, taas kamay tayo.
Pupunta nga ako dun sa baba. Okay, Sam, kaya mo na dito sa taas.
Sige, Jay.
Ayun.
Next volunteer. We will give you a second clue. Okay?
Okay, may dito ako, Sam. May
Sige.
dito sa gilid.
Punta
Ayun.
kita rin, Jay.
Oh,
Okay.
dito sa gilid. Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Ano yung
Kita niyo ba
pangalan?
yung mga dish natin dito? Kita niyo ba?
Kita niyo ba? Okay lang
Oh,
ba?
Ate Girl, halika na dito.
Oh, sige.
Ayun. Sabi niya, nag-raise siya ng hands, tapos paglapit ko, ako ba? Yes po.
Hindi siya
Ayun.
sigurado.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, hi ma'am. Ano
What's
yung
your
pangalan
name?
mo? What's your name?
Dayan.
Si Dayan.
Dayan, single or taken?
Single ba si Dayan? Taken?
Taken.
Okay, next player.
Thank you very much.
Ay, sorry.
Jay, wag
Sorry,
naman. Ano ba
okay
yan?
Okay daw, pwede daw.
Okay, sige Dayan.
Dayan, eto na.
How young, Dayan? How young?
How young are you, Dayan?
29.
Baka
So,
nag-isip ka pa.
Hindi ka sigurado. No? Hindi ka
Oo.
sigurado. Okay,
Actually,
Dayan.
Okay,
This
sige,
is
Dayan.
your first clue.
Ayan, first clue.
Ang dish na ginapangita natin is a classic sandwich
Yan.
stacked with crispy bacon,
Ay, nanay. kasi
tender
bacon.
chicken, fresh lettuce, and juicy tomato.
Yan.
Served on toasted bread with a side of fries.
Yan.
A perfect hearty meal at
Tama.
any time of the day. Second clue. Imo second clue, makita
Second clue.
ini sa Pancake House.
Yun. Oh,
What's your
ano?
answer?
May nagtuturo sa kanya, sabi siopaw. Ano? Walang siopaw. Ayun,
Sa
okay.
Pancake House.
Okay.
Yes, what's your answer?
Answer.
Dayan.
Guess lang. Pancake House Classic BLT Sandwich.
Ano daw?
Is it Pancake House Classic BLT Sandwich?
BLT sandwich is wrong.
Wrong. Ayan.
Malapit na. Tama na yung sandwich.
Okay, tama na
Mabit
yan.
na lang tayo.
Okay, dito na tayo. Sige na,
It
doon ka na.
starts with letter C. Starts with letter C.
Starts with letter. Ito si Mami, syempre.
Ayun.
Hello, Mami.
Hi, Mami.
What's your name?
Mylene po.
Mylene.
Mylene.
Yes po.
How young is Ma Mylene?
I'm 51 years old.
Wow, batang-bata.
Akala ko kanina, 18.
Paano yung 18?
Kukunin ko sana number mo. Ayun, joke lang. Ayun,
Yes,
okay,
Mami.
Ito
What's
na,
your
Mami.
answer? Ano yung answer mo?
Clubhouse po.
Pancake House Clubhouse Sandwich is correct! Congratulations! You just won a gift certificate from Max's House.
Okay. Pero bago tayo mag-continue, Sam, eto,
Yes, Jay.
may isang paalala lang muna ako. Alright, ulitin ko. Roa City, ready na ba tayo mag-enjoy?
Ready na
Ready na ba
ba?
tayo mag-enjoy? Pero dapat, sinasabi ko nga kahapon pa lang, we want everyone to be safe. Gusto niyo ba safe kayo? Gusto niyo ba safe kayo? Lakasan niyo? Yes, we want a safe event. And may pumasok sa aking balita na sabi ni Recty kanina, may wala daw bata kanina sa tent. Tent, ano yun, Recty?
Saan tent ba?
Sa tent yun, Recty. Errol, na yung ating FD dito. Anong tent? 10:57. Ayun, 10:57 po. Naku, please, hold on to your kids, ha? Huwag niyo pong pabayaan. And dapat po bantay-bantay po natin lahat. Sama-sama po tayo. Isa po tayong pamilya dito.
Yes.
So, I would like to ask our marshals to please help po ang nanay po or tatay na kasama po ng batang iyon. And if ever po, transfer na lang po natin sa director's tent natin. Okay? So, iisang Rojas City tayo, iisang pamilya tayo, palakpakan po sa inyong lahat. Let's go, everybody.
Again,
Here we go.
it's 10:57.
Yes, 10:57.
Kung nagulatan
Okay.
ang bata, go to 10:57.
Yes. Okay, Sam.
Now,
Let's
let's
go.
look for another player. Another lucky player. Volunteers! We need volunteers, our friendly organizers.
Pwede akong kumuha dito sa ating online. Joke lang. There you go.
And of
Dito.
course, special
Okay.
shout out to our Puppies Vlogger Society. Hello sa
Yes.
inyo.
Shout out sa lahat na
At ang mga vloggers, very
subscribe and sa
supportive.
lahat ng mga
Ayan.
nanonood sa atin live, sa mga vloggers natin. Mabuhay
Shout
po
out
kayong
sa
lahat.
kanilang lahat.
There you go. Alright,
Yeah.
here we go. Players. Eto na.
Asan? Oh, yun, ayun sa likod. Siya yung sa likod.
Nasa likod ba?
We have L
Alright.
over there. Ayun.
Ayan si Sir. Hi, Sir.
Hi, sir.
Hello,
Ano yung pangalan ninyo?
Eman.
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 Ilang taon?
60. Uy!
Uy!
60 or
Uy!
16?
23.
23.
Hindi pa rin ako naniniwala doon, pero sige na lang. Bigay natin.
Single, taken, or it's complicated?
Married.
Ay, wow.
Married
na
si
na.
Boss. God bless you, bossing.
God bless you, God bless
Ayun.
you. Okay. Sige, to our
Alright.
second player, this is your clue. This unique dessert is made by spreading ice cream on a cold surface, then rolling it up into cylinders. It's topped with fun mix-ins like fruits and chocolate, creating a fun and customizable treat.
Ay, gusto ko yan.
Ano ni Ayhan? What is your answer in 5, 4,
Sir Emma, go.
3?
I believe dessert to.
Miss
Uy, uy.
Universe.
Halo-halo.
Halo is wrong. I believe
I
pa
believe ko
mo.
pa. Ayun.
Kailan taon na siguro, isa ka segment ay.
Bossing!
Gustang boy buhay. Alright.
Next volunteer.
Next volunteer, taas kamay. Ayan. Oh, ayan.
Matag ko second
May nakita ka
blue.
ba dyan, ate girl? Ayun si ate.
Meron na,
Ayun.
meron.
Nasaan? Ayan.